Sounds good. Okay, today is August 5th. It's about 10:15 or so. We're getting ready to harvest honey. Dwayne, James is over here. He's shy. And we're going to do a time lapse of the whole process.
Chloe's here to help.
Chloe's the guard dog in case the bees get aggressive. All right, cut.
Oh,
Print.
cut.
Unless there shouldn't be more than a half a dozen bees in it. We hope.
Okay.
If there's still a lot of bees in there, we won't be doing it.
Okay.
They should have migrated south.
How do you put that trap in there? How do you?
There's a hole in the board. It's a kind of an oval hole, about this long.
I mean, how do you get to put it in there?
You take off the supers and put it in the hole. It's a oblong kind of thing.
But you have to like smoke the bees when you do it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm thinking there was some way you could do it outside. You could just pull it out and slide it in without getting disturbing anything. Yeah. Is that hat built in?
No.
Okay.
It's a Filson. We've got, only top quality here.
I see.
We'll do yours first. Yeah. And we'll just put your top board back on just like it is. James and I are going to pull a frame of brood out of mine. So we'll take the bee exit off of mine. I'm going to go turn the water hose on. And when I come back, we can take a group photo. That is a lot. Well, hey, Dwayne, let's look at mine, because I think you got so many bees in there that's not going to work. You hear that?
Yeah. I feel bad for them when you smoke it like that. Doesn't
Well,
hurt them.
they get a good meal when you do it. They first thing they do is they think our home is going up in smoke. So we've got to go. We got to take our honey and go.
Really?
Yep. I don't have as many bees as he's got. If his is calm, we might be able to get away with it. What do you think, Dwayne?
What?
How many bees are in there?
Oh, I don't think that many.
Okay.
We'll find out.
We'll
Sounds good.
see what this looks like.
No, you said his was comb. What is yours?
Quite a bit of comb in here.
His.
You want me to get that, Dwayne?
Smoke.
Smoke?
It's like they got trapped there. Oh man, honey
Got
that.
it? Got it, Dwayne? Now we're just going to put the top back on yours and go.
Yeah.
But you know what, Dwayne? No, you're okay. You're okay. Yeah, it's all good.
Now, are those things special bee tools, or those just some kind of?
Yeah, you want to call them. They call them hive tools. So, shall we take yours up? I'm going to go around this way. Okay? I'll go take and tip it.
What do you mean tip?
Just so you make sure you got the seal broke.
Oh, okay.
And it's got handles on the front and side.
That's what they want.
Yeah. The grass.
Just set it in the wagon.
Set it on top of that. That one full? It's not full, but it's got 1, 2, 3. It's got 4 or 5 frames of honey in it.
There we go. It's really stuck, man.
Looking good, Dwayne.
It's heavy too.
Got a lot of honey in it.
Yeah, it weighs, I mean, I'll bet you that weighs twice what the one in yours
Yeah.
weighs.
Yep. See any brood, Dwayne?
There's a lot.
Got a
of
bunch.
And
How
you
about
can-
on the other side?
Oh yeah, you're looking good.
All
Yeah,
right.
see how much more solid that is compared to mine? That's much better laying pattern than
Yeah?
mine.
And all the rest, that's honey.
It's interesting. I haven't seen any nectar or pollen.
How can you tell what that is when you see it?
Yeah, it's yellow and it's like a cake type thing.
Yeah.
And nectar is simply uncapped honey.
Well, I'm happy. There's one. Look at that big old chunk of
Yep.
flax there.
Okay, there's a ton.
Yeah, it was. See, it was stuck.
There's a ton of bees on the bottom of that frame.
See how
So
they're clinging to each other?
Yeah.
That shows that there's a fairly good nectar flow.
Okay.
If you don't see that, there's no nectar flow. When it's really good, you'll pick it up and there'll be a string of bees 6 to 8 inches long.
Wow. So, should I brush them off there or something?
No, they're okay. They'll figure it out as soon as you start sliding it down in there. And there's, I don't know, Dwayne, what, 3/4 of an inch of room between the bottom of this frame and the top of the next?
And probably, look, there's going to be these sacrifices every time. How do you know how much honey to take from it?
Well, usually, if things are well with the hive,
Bees will always eat a little bit that you leave. Just, according to how much you want to take out. It's hardly worth it if it's only a third full.
Yeah. Can they get through the winter? Like, especially yours, there was a lot of honey down in the brood.
Yeah.
Is that enough for them through the winter?
Well, we don't, right now, I don't know what they're going to wind up, but we had 2 jugs that we fill with sugar water, turn upside down on us, got a real thin sieve on the bottom. And they right there, they can get feed.
You got that one filling out.
that's a nice frame of honey there.
Andy,
Yeah.
show that one to the.
Blue ribbon.
Well, this,
There's a hive beetle on the bottom.
maybe 4 or 5 of these, and all the rest of it's straight honey.
Wow.
That's high-dollar stuff there if you go to buy it, I'll tell you. See, this is what you wind up with,
Oh,
and you gotta clean all that off.
That's pretty neat.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Okay, nice, good and sharp.
This does is just exactly what it's supposed to do. In my mind's eye.
There you go.
Yeah.
The only thing we don't have, Dwayne, is biscuits. Got no biscuits. It's a crown shame.
Ew.
And
Do you ever think about, what
No.
honey is? Yeah.
No.
You start thinking about
No.
it. Yeah, I know.
And see, that's one aspect of all of this. When we spin and extract honey,
Yeah.
we sieve it twice.
Yeah.
And one of the sieves we go through is like a micro sieve.
Uh-huh.
And what that does is it sieves out all the little bee parts and bug eggs and all that good stuff.
Ew.
What he does is he freezes it because he doesn't have that ability. Oh, get back in there.
How do you know you can do that?
Freeze, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Want some tongs? Wouldn't that be easier?
Might be.
Want some tongs?
You don't have a lot.
That way it won't get all over your
Better.
jar, maybe.
You're gonna have, and we're gonna have plenty of extracted honey, Dwayne, to fill those up. So however you wanna do it. Just go to it.
You were talking about the heat stuff, that's another thing I noticed, the grass and the weeds are way.
You gotta freeze this for 24 hours.
Okay, so you don't leave it frozen,
No.
you freeze it and then just take it out? Oh,
And you're good to
okay,
go.
okay.
That kills all the
Critters and stuff.
undesirables.
Push down, the honey runs down and it won't cut through it, right?
Gotcha.
Did you already spin everything?
Oh no, we got this spin and then 2 more. We're switching.
Oh, okay.
You're like, yeah, I ain't get too close up there. They're saying just start popping.
I'm sorry, James.
Did
I
that
know
over
you're-
my house.
Yeah, it doesn't surprise me too much, but.
Chloe,
Okay, I gotta see this.
Just don't drop the phone in there.
Okay, so that's right, Andy?
What's that? Yeah.
Oh,
Put that on there. I can pass it all across there, thank you. I mean, you can grease this thing and everything.
Yeah, I know. It's an industrial piece of gear. I'll go ahead and cap it. That's honey there. Yep. Oh, I was going to actually turn that off while we spin.
Well, up.
is that a hive beetle?
There was a hive beetle in there.
Did James do that part too?
We've all done everything.
I am not good at that one. Dwayne's the best at it, he just suck it right off.
Really?
Yeah, he can do 5 in time I do 1. Is that long enough for you to go in one?
Yeah, I mean, you can check it.
Just check it.
I would say so.
Okay, so flip
Check
those
close.
things and then just do it again.
Yeah, just flip it and you should be able to turn it the same direction you're turning it in.
Is that a hot knife?
Hot knife. Hot knife.
Take the baskets and flip them around. Down here? Yeah. Well, it really whips it out of there, doesn't it?
It does.
It makes you realize how much work they have to do when you cut the comb out versus leaving the comb.
Yeah, but you get a lot more honey when you don't, the bees don't have to make all that comb all over again.
Right.
so I need to head out.
You want to do one?
No, that's fine. I'm good. I'm all combed out.
Okay, honey.
The extraction is complete and the filling has begun. Perfect. Perfect pour. Hey, Linda.
Uh-huh.
It's a good batch. Now let me stir this up a little more.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Today is August 4th, 2016, and it's Honey Procurement Day. How do you assess the success of your day so far, Dwayne?
Andy's bees were outstanding. They really produced this year.
Did you get any comb honey from yours?
I did. I got 15 pints of comb honey. But Andy's bees were the killer bees on production.
Well, I don't know, Dwayne. I'm not gonna get much more than the 15 pint,
Our biggest yet.
but it is our biggest harvest.
So do you think the bees put their heart and soul into all this?
Yeah. It's interesting. Plus, I love honey.
We all love honey.
We all love honey. I think we're gonna need a few more glasses.
That's good.
That is good.
Liquid gold.
The flow is subsiding a bit.
Texas tea.
I can't top
Very
that.
much more honey, we'd have to get into quart jars.
We got them. This may be the last one I fill before we go clean the extractor.